Hi dear students, today I am going to talk about autoradiography. Autoradiography is nothing but a technique. We can say it is a technique. This technique using X-ray film to visualize or to see the molecules or the fragments of molecules that have been radioactively labeled. Okay, it is a technique using X-ray film to visualize molecules or fragments of molecules that have been radioactively labeled. For example, to analyze the length and number of DNA fragments after they are separated from one another by a method called electrophoresis. That means you can visualize the molecules or the fragments of molecules like DNA, RNA, proteins like that, but they have been radioactively labeled. So this is called autoradiography. What is the principle involved in autoradiography? Autoradiography is based upon the ability of the radioactive substance to expose the photographic film by ionizing it. Carefully listen, dear students. Autoradiography is based on the ability of the radioactive substance. We are using radioactive substance. That substance will be exposed to the photographic film by ionizing it. That radioactive substance will be exposed to the photographic film and it will ionize. It will ionize it. In this technique, a radioactive substance is put in direct contact with a thick layer of photographic emulsion having gelatin substance and silver halide crystals. So this is the principle of autoradiography. Very easy to follow. So what we will do in autoradiography, we select the radioactive substance that will ionize, that will undergo ionization when that radioactive substance exposed to the photographic film. Okay, got it? And in this technique, that radioactive substance that we selected will be in direct contact with a thick layer. They will be direct contact with a thick layer of photographic emulsion. That emulsion having the gelatin substance and silver halide crystals. That means how to understand this? The radioactive substance that you selected, that will be in direct contact with the photographic emulsion. A emulsion ಏನಿದೆ ಜಿಲಾಟಿನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ silver halide, it is represented as Ag. Okay, and it contains photographic film, it is represented as X. So after ionization, what happens? It gives Ag plus ions and X minus ions. By developer here is the gelatin. Okay, and it forms a complex called AgNO3, and from that Ag atoms can be separated and image is formed in the photographic film. Okay, finally with the help of fixative and the gelatin and the emulsion. So in that way actually the reaction is taking place. And the principle you need to practice as it is. I hope you followed the principle. What are the applications of radiography? Where we are using the autoradiography? So to find out or investigate the various properties of DNA, in order to study the various properties of DNA and to investigate the DNA, we use the autoradiography. Then to find the location and the amount of particular substance which is present within a cell, organelle and metabolites, etc. For example, to find out the location and the amount of particular substance which is present within the cell organelle. For example, we can say, for example, take mitochondria. Mitochondria is a cell organelle. In order to find out what are the enzymes present in mitochondria, and in mitochondria where they are present like that, and which are the metabolites present in the cell organelle, like that, in order to study we use the autoradiography. Then tissue localization of radioactive substance, that means tissue localization and cell localization, that is very, very important. Then to find out the site and performance of targeted drug, the drug in the form of medicine that we are using, in order we are sending to the patient body or the client body to find out the site where it is going and how it is performing. In order to find out the targeted drug, this autoradiography play a very important role. Then autoradiography is also used to locate the metabolic activity site in the cell. In order to find out the metabolic activity site within the cell, we have to identify where the metabolic activity taking place within the cell, the site, the location we have to identify. For that we are using the autoradiography. It's very actually simple technique. We are using the radioactive labeled isotope or the substance in order to find out or analyze the biomolecules, or to find out the metabolic activity or the components of the cell organelle, localization of tissue, okay, drug performance and its citation. In order to find out all these things, and DNA analysis, the properties of DNA, like that we will going to study now. For that we are autoradiography we are using. So this is one of the biological technique that we are using in order to study biological things. Okay, this is called, we call it as autoradiography. Here you need to concentrate what is autoradiography, principle and application. So in principle you are using the radioactive labeled isotope that will be taken on the photographic film. It will going to ionize it. Okay, here the radioactive substance will be in direct contact with the photographic emulsion having the gelatin substance and silver halide crystals. This is the principle applicable in autoradiography. Thank you, girls.